the very abstract nature of chemistry can often make it challenging for teachers, particularly if they want to bring it into the real world context. So I decided to have a creative application for my students where they could solve problems. And to make it a little more fun, I call them the wonderful worthy workers. In these different types of activities, I'm going to have the students work on a problem that is in the real world, and then I'm going to have them look for explanations and solutions, and I want to be sure they report this out in a very professional way. So this will encourage students to use their communication skills, their academic language, and address areas in the Common Core. Now, for instance, supposing I set up a scenario where somebody in a local hotel is having a problem with the plants and they're trying to find out what's happened. Well, you can bring in several plants and have those set up so that the students can come up with some creative ways, first of all, to get a mixture of the water and chemicals that might be in the soil. And they might even want to partner up with some of their earth science or biology friends to get this one going. There might be another way that you could do something associated with the police, and I found this group online that does a lot of real world chemistry, and they have a really good suggestion for looking at different kinds of alcohols. So you could have a study where the students are looking at different alcohol studies, and you could have a hypothetical situation where they're helping out the police. You might even have something a little fun and local. I set up a scenario where there was a fountain that was donated, and you want to find out what kind of conditions you need to do to keep that fountain running all year long. So something like this could be local. By setting students as problem solvers, you can create a theme that you periodically bring into your classes, and chemistry might be a little more difficult than physics or earth science or biology, but I think with some creativity you can come up with a theme that you could carry through a lot of your lessons.